dread entering your garage only to be greeted by a disorganized mess? Picture this, a space where every tool has its place, where clutter is a thing of the past, and where you can tackle projects with ease. Get ready to bid farewell to chaos and welcome efficiency, because today we're unveiling the most incredible garage gadgets that will revolutionize your space. Welcome back to our channel, where we're dedicated to making your life easier and more organized. If your garage resembles a storage war zone, fear not. Today, we're delving into a world of cutting-edge gadgets that will transform your garage into a well-oiled machine. From ingenious storage solutions to high-tech tools, get ready to turn chaos into order. The garage, often overlooked and underutilized, can become a haven for clutter, chaos, and frustration. From tangled cords to misplaced tools, navigating this space can feel like a daunting task. But fear not, for we're about to introduce you to a lineup of gadgets that will simplify your garage organization woes. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency. 1. Luminex LED Garage Lights. Say farewell to dimly lit workspaces with these advanced LED lights. Offering bright, even illumination, they ensure you never miss a detail on your projects. Their adjustable brightness and motion sensing capabilities make them a versatile addition to any garage, while their energy-efficient design helps save on electricity costs. 2. FlexiMount's Overhead Garage Storage Rack. Maximize your garage's vertical space with this heavy-duty storage rack. By mounting it to the ceiling, you can store bulky items like bins, boxes, and bicycles overhead, freeing up valuable floor space for parking or additional storage. With its adjustable height and weight capacity, it's a customizable solution for any garage. 3. Tool Grid. Bid farewell to tool chaos with this customizable organization system. Featuring designated spots for each tool and magnetic strips for smaller items like screws and nails, it ensures everything stays neatly arranged and easily accessible. No more wasting time searching through drawers or rummaging through boxes. With the Tool Grid, efficiency is at your fingertips. 4. Garage Guardian. Keep your garage secure with this state-of-the-art monitoring device. Equipped with built-in sensors and a smartphone app, it provides real-time alerts for any unauthorized entry attempts. Its easy installation and user-friendly interface offer peace of mind, whether you're at home or away. 5. Garage Smart Wall. Revolutionize your garage organization with this all-in-one storage solution. Featuring built-in shelves, hooks, and even a charging station for power tools, it keeps your garage clutter-free and your tools within arm's reach. Its smart technology allows for remote monitoring and control via smartphone app, adding convenience to your garage management. 6. Garage Parking Sensor. Say goodbye to parking headaches with this innovative sensor. Mount it to your garage wall and it will guide you into the perfect parking spot every time. Its adjustable sensitivity and easy installation ensure hassle-free parking while preventing dings and dents to your vehicle. 7. Smart Garage Door Opener. Take control of your garage door from anywhere with this smart device. Compatible with voice assistants and smartphone apps, it allows you to open and close your garage door with ease, whether you're at home or on the go. Its seamless integration with your smart home ecosystem adds convenience to your daily routine. 8. Garage Floor Tiles. Upgrade your garage flooring with durable and easy-to-install tiles. These interlocking tiles come in various colors and designs, allowing you to customize your garage floor while providing protection against stains, spills, and cracks. Their anti-slip surface ensures safety and durability, even in high-traffic areas. 9. Garage Ceiling Storage Hoist. Maximize overhead space with this ingenious hoist system. Designed to lift and store bulky items like kayaks, bikes, or storage bins, it keeps them out of the way until needed. Its sturdy construction and easy-to-use design make it a game-changer for garage organization, allowing you to reclaim valuable floor space. 10. Garage Workbench with built-in power strip. Transform your garage into a functional workspace with this versatile workbench. Featuring a built-in power strip that allows you to plug in and power your tools and devices while working on projects. Its sturdy construction and ample storage space make it a must-have for any DIY enthusiast, offering a dedicated area for tinkering and crafting. With these 10 unbelievable gadgets, you can transform your garage into a functional, efficient workspace. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization with these game-changing tools. In summary, these gadgets are not just about tidying up your space. They're about transforming it into a place where you can work and create with ease. From lighting to storage to security, these tools will revolutionize the way you use your garage. Ready to reclaim your garage and unleash your inner DIY enthusiast? Check out the links in the description below to explore these incredible gadgets for yourself. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your garage game. Until next time, happy organizing!